Welcome to Abstralpress. In this video, I will show you how to show hidden system apps in Android. Android hides some system apps, and here is how you can view them in case you need to change their settings. In my case, I am looking for Bluetooth. So I'll go to mobile settings, scroll down, select apps. I will search Bluetooth, but I can't find it. There's no Bluetooth app here. So what I will do instead, from this screen, I'll press sorting icon and enable show system apps. Press OK. Now if I will search Bluetooth, I'll be able to find it. So show system apps option can also be in app settings. If you cannot find this option here, make sure to look for gear icon or three dots at the top right and look there. So this is how you can show hidden system apps in Android. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.